Hello guys! So this is IIS02 again. So I'm here to show you my goodie bags. So last Friday, I was in an event for skincare. Sorry love. I was in an event with different skinsters in UAE. So today I'm gonna unbox the goodie bag that I received from the event. So it's here. Yeah. So I hope you can see it. Oops. There. Yep. And this is the logo of the event. So it's an event. It's a Christmas event actually. It's my first Christmas event in Dubai with ABCommunity. So it's an Asian beauty community UAE here in, of course, UAE, as I've said. So let's unbox my goodie bag! So first, one natin is this. I hope you can see it. So this is a travel kit from Amara K Beauty. This is series. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So it's composed of milk cleanser, cleansing gel. So, ayan. And I really appreciate the, meron silang special touch. And then next is, let me get this one. So, this is from Tiam. So, it's a Korean beauty. Let me just open it. It's a Vita BP, so it won't let me open it. I'm so sorry. So here. So it's actually a zero. Yes. So next is another product from Bonan. So this is a C-Cup toner. So from Bonan. Thank you so much, Bonan, for this one. So let me just open it and show you what's inside. See? So this is C-Cup. And if you actually shake it, you'll see a lot of bubbles. And don't worry kasi we were explained that because it was made from C-Cup, kaya talaga marami siyang bubbles. So next product that was given to me as a Christmas goodie bag is these two. This is from Purito Official. So this is a all-in-one mild pack. And this one is a clean cleansing oil. Okay. So this is what's inside. So the mild pad is this. So it has 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces in the box. And the other one is the cleansing oil. So there. Thank you so much Purito Official for this product. So the next product from Tara. So there. So this is a algae fuel sea therapy mask. So see, Tara, thank you so much for this one. Actually, it has a paper bag. Ganun nila kami kalang. So there. Another product that was given to me is this one from Benton. This is an aloe vera. So thank you so much for the soothing gel, Benton. And what else do we have in my goodie bag? Okay. So from Tiam again. There is a anti-blemish body lotion. Another product from this is Tiam as well. So this is a Vita Red mask. siya. Thank you so much for all our generous sponsors. And this one is from Benton as well. This is an aloe soothing mask pack. It's a combination with this soothing gel. So thank you so much, Benton, for this. And sorry, ang dami niya talaga. And here, another Goodie from Tiam. It's a skincare Make Me Shine. So it's actually a travel size pack. And then there's from this is really, so for this unboxing, i-open ko na yung product from Mad for Cause. So I think this is from Mad for Cause. It's a Resin Living Clear Perfume. So there, I hope that's it there. And this one is a Bloomy Hand Cream Eucalyptus. And what else do I have here? Of course, I'm saving the best for last is the Keep Cool Pack. So it composed of shine cream and also a shine mist and their Keep Cool double sensational lips. And also it has a face mask. So nasa loob siya. There. So that's it for all the products. Actually ito, ayan. This is the list of the products